up guys, it's the Scribbling Legend here, and in today's video we are going to be doing our SPTS series, so our How to Make a Game Like Superpower Training Simulator series. And in today's video, this is probably the most anticipated video of this series. So we will be making powers. I don't know how many powers we'll make, or if we'll even get any of them done today. We might have to go into part 5, but we'll try to make the aura power today because never realized how many people really wanted auras in the game. Even though it's like one of the last things you unlock, people keep asking me for it, so I'm gonna make it. Alright guys, so let's get into it. So let's open up our leader stat script. And in it, we'll just add a new thing. So down here, do local, and what should we call it? Do local has aura is equal to instance dot new bool value. And actually, before we continue with that, we'll make a different thing. We'll call it local powers is equal to instance dot new, and we'll make a folder, and this will be inside the player. We'll do powers dot name is equal to powers, and we'll do powers. Actually, that's it. So that's just gonna be like a folder where we'll put all our powers. So then this has aura. We'll make it go inside of the powers folder. So then we'll do aura dot name is equal to has aura, and we'll do has aura dot value is equal to false. Alright, so now that we have that, what we're gonna do is I want to actually save this and make sure it did the thread. So if we play this, we should just have another folder inside of our player. So here we have leader stats and powers. Alright, nice. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is inside of our starter player, we're going to, inside of our starter player scripts, we'll do a local script. We'll rename it to aura script. Actually, in case we need an actual script, we'll do our local script. And basically in here, we'll do local player is equal to game.players.local player, and we'll do local mouse is not square brackets is equal to player colon get mouse, and then here we'll do a while wait 0.1 do. We'll do if mouse dot think it's like key down, or yeah, I think it's key down. So we'll do and so we actually have to make a function. Just remember to do function mouse. Well, that's not how we do. So what we have to do is mouse dot key down colon connect function. Alright, so I think that's how we do it, if I remember. Yeah, and we actually have to supply a parameter, and this will be the key. We'll do if the key is equal to, we'll do X for the aura, because I think that's how they have it, something like that. Then what we want to do is, well, so we can't do that here because we would need other people to do it, to see it. Let me just save that real quick. So let's just make the aura first of all. So an aura, it's pretty much just a fire inside of you, isn't it? So what we'll do, I guess, is insert like a part, like I guess a sphere, and we'll inside of it add a fire, and now our sphere is on fire. But obviously we have to make this bigger, maybe something like 15. Yeah, that actually looks pretty good. You can change the color. I want it to be like red, red, and I want the secondary color to be black, I think. Alright, let's do that, and make the part transparent. Alright, so now we have this red aura. Can't see the secondary color that much, but that's okay. It looks pretty cool. We'll rename this part to aura. And inside of replicated storage, what we want to do, we want to add a folder and call it powers. And we'll just drag that aura inside of the powers folder. Actually, we'll store it in server storage, so move that folder to server storage. So yeah, now inside of replicated storage, we'll do like a we'll do a script, and we'll call it like create power, and basically, well, actually, this script is supposed to go in server script service, first of all. And we'll call it create power script. And then inside of replicated storage, we'll have a remote event called create power. Alright, there we go. I don't know what I was doing right there. Sorry. So we'll do local event is equal to game.replicated storage dot create power, and then we'll do event dot on server event connect function, and in here we'll take the player. We'll also take the guess we'll just add a power parameter. Alright, so we'll do if power, then if power equals power is equal to aura. Oh, that was a shortcut I didn't even know about, but okay. If power is equal to aura, then what we want to do, we'll make a local variable character. Actually, we'll make this, cut this character variable, put it here. We'll do local character is equal to game dot workspace get we'll do game.workspace find. Actually, we'll do a wait for child player dot name. Yeah, so we'll do if the powers are, then what we want to do is do so we'll make a local aura is equal to game.server storage dot powers dot aura clone. Then we'll do aura dot parent is equal to character. Alright, so Yeah. So then in our local script over here, we'll do our local event is equal to game.replicated storage dot, actually we'll do colon, wait for child, create power. We'll actually cut this line and paste it into our while wait do loop. And then we'll do event colon fire server, and then we'll pass the player as, not the player, we'll pass the power as aura. Yeah. So this should hopefully work. So right now we'll be able to use it even if we didn't unlock the aura. So let's just save this. We'll change that in a little, so make sure you stick around. Alright guys, so Roblox Studios crashed, but don't worry, we saved right before, so alright, let's try this again. And this time, if we press X, alright, so yeah, that's what I thought. It wouldn't, so yeah, what the heck? What? Oh my gosh, so yeah, what we have to do is inside of here we'll do if not player, actually no, if not character colon wait for, actually if not character colon find first child and aura, actually aura, then end. So yeah, that would be good. Also, we have to do aura dot position is equal to character dot humanoid root part dot position. Alright, so if we save this again, play, and click X, then we have this. Alright, so as you can see, it doesn't like move with us or anything like that. Also, now we only have one aura, which is what we want. So now let's make it move with us. So basically in here, actually no, in here, actually no, hold on. Yeah. So actually we'll do, yeah, so we'll do, well actually not in here, or, alright, we can close this and this. So now what I want to do is in our replicated storage, we'll make a new remote event, and this remote event will be called check for power. Yeah. So and then in server script service we'll do script, and we'll do check for power script, and we'll do local event is equal to game replicated storage dot check for power, do event dot on server event colon connect function, and we'll pass the player, and then we'll do local character is equal to game.workspace colon wait for child player dot name so we'll do if character colon find if character colon find first child aura, then what we'll do is we'll do character colon find first child aura dot position is equal to character dot humanoid root part dot position. Alright, and that should be that. And now over here we'll do local check event is equal to game.replicated storage colon wait for child, and this time we'll wait for check for power. And then we'll do check event colon fire server. Alright, so didn't mean to do that. Alright, so if we save this, I don't think I forgot anything. Okay, so it crashed once again. Let me get my, okay. Bring that back over here. And I want the output. Alright, so, but it should have saved everything, I think. Yeah, right. Starter player script. Yeah. Alright, so let's try this. So if we click X, we have our aura. So yeah, there's one problem. As you can see, and the way we fix that, go into server storage, powers, aura, can collide false. Save, play. And we now have an aura. Or do we? Where'd it go? Let's select this move tool. What the? I don't even know what just happened. Let's try this again. Click X. And let's find our aura. What happened to our aura? Let's click X. We have our aura. So yeah, if we go to our aura, so what we want to do is maybe anchor to true. I think that will do. Click X. The aura is around us. Alright, so now we have our aura working. Nice. Alright, so now let's make it so you have to earn this RO. ROs are not free. They're actually very tough to get in the games. So obviously this should be like one of the last powers, but you guys really want me to do this, so we'll make it like one of the first powers. Now I don't want it to be the 10 psychic. We'll make it like 100. Yeah, we'll do 100. So we'll go into our quest talks. We'll copy this, we'll paste it, and we'll do text 4. We'll do with your first. Alright, so this is supposed to be 2. Yeah, and this should be 3. Now this time you will need 100 psychic power to earn your aura. And come back to me when you are done. Alright, so yeah, there we go. Now we need a quests and rewards. So this time we don't actually add anything here because those are actually we do. Because we're still gonna get coins, but like quest.done 4 coins is equal to, we'll do like 30. Alright, so yeah, that's that. And then what we need to do is in our dummy gift quest. These are still the comments from last time. We can delete them. Alright, so now what we do here, we'll do local fourth speech is equal to speeches dot text 4. I also want to like split these up, so like that. And up here we'll do local fourth reward is equal to qr dot done 4 coins. Also, this should be 4th. And there's also one thing. This strength of value should not be equal to 0. If you saw in the last video, that's why the strength was going to 0 after you completed the quest. I actually didn't notice that until we made the other quests. So yeah. And alright, so now what we want to do, we'll copy this else if statement. And this will be 4. This should be the same. Yeah, that should. Sorry, this should be 4th speech. Alright. And we'll copy this now. Paste this. This should be 100. This should be 4. This should be 5. This should be 4th reward. Alright, and I think that's it for this place. Yep. Just save this. And now if we go into our GUIs, starter GUI, quest GUI, we need to go to frame, bar, local script. Also, what we need to do here is we'll do else. Yeah, alright. So we'll do else data is equal to 100 or 10, or wait, is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. We'll copy this and put it for all of these. So this is just so that if you saw in the last video, if we were like using a multiplier like 4, so that like we didn't go evenly to 10, then the progress bar would just stop. But instead we wanted to go to full. Like, yeah. So now if we copy this, we'll do 4, and this will be 100 this time. And yeah, that's good. Then in our quest description local script, copy this and get 100 psychic, and this should now be 4. See how easy it is to add a new quest. Alright, save to Roblox, and I think, oh, actually, we missed like the most important part. Actually giving the aura. So like, alright, so we actually missed a few things. Well, not really about the quest, but like over here. So, in our aura local script that's in our starter player scripts, we have to check if this and player dot has aura, then alright, now it will be good. So we can close that and that. Alright, so now in our dummy give quest, down here we'll do, like right after we do completed quest, we do player dot powers dot has aura is equal to true. Alright, so yeah, that's what I forgot to do over here. We did player dot has aura, it's player dot powers dot has aura. Let me just check the spelling in our leader stat script. Yeah, alright, so it should be good now, I think. I don't think I forgot anything. So let's try. So make sure we save this just in case Roblox Studios crashes for the 3rd time, which it surprisingly didn't. So right now if we press X, then this still happens, which it shouldn't. So alright, let's try that. I don't know. Alright, let's play. And if we press X, no aura. Alright, so yeah, there we go. So now if we get a multiplier for this, we'll get a better multiplier for this, and we'll grab one for this as well. And yeah, I can't afford anymore. Alright, so if we go here, we grab our first quest, then now over here we have to get 10 strength. So it goes up by 20. Alright, now that we got that, oh yeah, I gained some psychic because I clicked that tool by accident. Go here, we get some coins. Alright, we do our push-ups. Remember about the multiplier, so we're going up by 20%. Alright, nice. Now here, it's already at 40%. And there, see, that else statement worked. And we got more coins. Now we have to do that. So, yeah, that's what I was afraid of. First of all, that shouldn't be happening. So in our starter GUI, quest GUI, frame, bar, I think we have to divide by 100. So yeah, Alright, so now if we save, play, we have to go through all our quests again. No problem, just not that. Just get a multiplier, get a multiplier, get a multiplier and a multiplier. Close this and turn on shift lock and go here. Let's punch away the animation. I don't think you can call it a punch animation, so we'll just hide it behind this GUI. Alright, we get our points. Or coins, I mean, not points. Alright, we finished our push-ups. There we go. Now we have our psychic quest, which you can now see goes up by 40 and we can get to 100%. So if we then go here, good job completing our reward. We're at 16% done to 100. And as you can see, yeah. Alright, we're going up. And if you look here. Alright, so yeah, it's working. So yeah, that's what I thought. We just have to divide by the amount that we need more or equal to of. So like when for the first 3 quests, we divided by 10 because we needed 10 or more. This one we need 100 or more, so we divide by 100. So now first of all, if I click X, I still can't use it. If I go here, great job completing your quest, here is your reward. And then here we go, click X. Alright, so I saw something was wrong because I see an error. Players powers has aura is not a valid member of player dot hell. Alright, so let's look in here. No big surprise, crashed again. Don't think I lost anything though, luckily. Let me just make sure, because the last thing we did was in here. And alright, yeah. So what we have to do is go to our dummy give quest. Alright, so yeah, we spelled it right. So I don't know what the problem is. Oh, okay. We forgot that value. I always do this, guys. I always do this. Oh boy. Alright, save that and play this, and this will work this time. I always forget that, guys. Forgive me. Alright, so let's do this again. So yeah guys, I just want to let you know I will be posting like more consistently now. Also, I have decided to stick with Roblox content because you guys seem to enjoy that. Also notice how it doesn't go back to 0 now because we did that thing. Okay, we do our push-ups. Alright. And now if we get 10 psychic. Alright, and now if we get to 100. Taking a little, we only go up by 4. Cause didn't make a training zone for psychic. You guys know how to do that. I will make one later, but like, I just don't feel it right like it right now. Alright, so we got 200, 100%, nice, nice. Great job completing your quest, here's your reward. And if I click X now, if I click X now, if I click it now, alright. So, if we go on powers, how's aura is true. So, something else is wrong. Alright, so, let's take a look at this. Starter player script. Player.power. Oh, same thing happened here. Forgot .value. No, .value. And I'm telling you guys, this is something I always forget when making games in Roblox with Luo. I always forget that you have to add .value. I'm gonna like most of my videos, I forget this like all the time, at least once. And then like it causes a big problem. I have no idea why it's not working. And then I see that I forget .value and I'm just like, you probably know that feeling. When you like have a great idea on how to solve this problem, you do it and then it doesn't work because you forget one word. So we're on the 10-second quest right now. Alright, get our next quest. Great job with your first 3 quests. Now this time you need 100 psychic power to earn your aura. Come back to me when you are done. We do our psychic and get to 100. Obviously, like, I think if I remember it was like something like 1 million at least for the aura. It was it was way more than that. Forget it. Actually, maybe in the original Super Power Training Simulator it was like 1 million because it was like so hard to get stuff in there. Like alright, great job completing your quest. Here's your reward. If we click X, we got our aura. We can't take it off though, so that's the last thing we're gonna do in this video. So it's not too long. Let me just make sure it's saved. I think it is. Yeah. Alright, so in here there's an easy fix. So actually one thing we want to do is in our server script service, we want to go into our create power script. We want to supply one last thing, and this is create. So yeah, and then here we'll do, and so actually no, we won't do it. In here we'll do if not character aura, then actually we don't even need this. All we need to do is do an else. Actually, yeah, we'll do an else, and then we'll do character colon find first child aura colon destroy. Alright, so now over here, let's just, after we did that, we'll do a time dot, I don't know why I did that. I'm too used to Python right now, sorry. We'll do a script dot disabled is equal to true, and we'll do like a wait of 1, and script dot disabled will be equal to false. Alright, and if we save this to Roblox, play. So if we open up our stats, get a multiplier for all of these, grab 2 multipliers on a psychic since we need to get the most of that, and then if we walk over to our dummy and we grab our quest and then we do our punches, get to our 10 strength, which we just got to, and now if we claim this and now do our push-ups to get our 10 endurance. Then now if we go here, we get more coins, and now this, if we do our psychic, that was quick, and now here, if we do our psychic and try to get to 100, this time you'll see we'll be able to get our aura, and hopefully we'll be able to like take it on and off. So right now, before we finish this quest actually, I want to show you that if I click X right now, I'm not getting an aura, but now if I continue my quest, finish it real quick, now that I have 100, if I claim my quest, if I click X, I get an aura, and if I click X again, it turns off, click X again, it's back on. There is a little cooldown because we created that. There's a 1 second cooldown between being able to take it on and off, which I like. So yeah, so that'll be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed and this helped you out, please remember to leave a like, subscribe. Also, I just want to let you guys know that most of you guys who watch my videos are not subscribed. Also, like I said, I will be posting more consistently now, focusing on these videos, these SPTS videos. Also, I wanted to say that auras don't do anything, right? They're just like kind of there. If they do stuff, like, let me know and I'll add that to these auras. Also, let me know in the description what powers you want to see next. I'll probably do energy punch next, but then after that, so yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Be sure to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, comment below, like anything, I guess, and then yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Turn on post notifications so you never miss out on a brand new SPTS video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.